In today's training, we're going to walk you through how to use Voyant's lump sum savings insight. To do this, we're going to navigate to our insight section and take a look at the lump sum savings insight. I'm going to search for this using our search engine, and we're going to select this. You can do this from any event within the plan, and to change the event that you're using, you can select change, and you can either select any of these events or you can add an event. I'm going to use the plan start event, and I want to use this so that I can see if they are going to invest money today, how much money would they need to invest in order to be able to prevent any future estimated shortfalls in this plan. I'm going to click Get Started and see what that amount is. So the amount that our clients are going to need to prevent any of these future projected shortfalls that they currently have in the plan is $103,516. We are going to compare this insight result to what we currently have in their base plan. We can click Compare to Plan, and we can see that our current projections are that they're going to start running into some shortfall in the last 2 years of the plan. But if they were instead to invest that $103,000, they would be able to prevent that future shortfall. This can open up some good conversations about maybe moving some money that is sitting in cash. For example, this client has $120,000 sitting in an emergency fund. Perhaps this can open up a conversation about maybe moving some of or all of that money into an investment account and what that could do to prevent some future projected shortfalls. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions or you need any assistance running any of these insights, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right corner, selecting Request Support, entering your question into the text box, and sharing client access. Thanks for listening.